Hello everyone, I'm Kem. To address the diverse industrial demands for heavy plate welding, today I will provide a technical walkthrough of Kempson's systematic welding solutions. Both models deliver a robust 4,000 watt output. They achieve a maximum fillet weld thickness of 12 mm and butt weld thickness of 7.5 mm, with a penetration depth of up to 6 mm. The weld strength is equivalent to the base metal, fully meeting high load structural requirements. Utilizing precision laser energy control, the heat-affected zone is extremely narrow, which effectively minimizes thermal stress and workpiece deformation. The entire process is spatter-free, producing uniform and smooth seams that require no secondary grinding, significantly optimizing the production cycle. The core advantage lies in our Everlens patented torch. Equipped with anti-spatter nozzles and barrels, it blocks over 75% of welding spatter. The multi-rotational protective lens can be reused 6 to 8 times, drastically cutting consumable costs and downtime. Our wire feeding system utilizes a stepper 4-drive structure, supporting seamless switching between single, dual, and triple wires. The metal feeding assembly is engineered for a service life of over 6 years. For gas supply, the KPS ALW4000 is equipped with a self-developed high-purity gas generation system, producing 99.99% pure inert gas, requiring no external shielding gas and saving more with use. The standard version maintains equivalent welding performance and supports external gas supply. Both units feature high-efficiency cooling for 24/7 continuous operation. Built-in isolators and filters ensure interference-free performance when working alongside TIG or MIG equipment. The system is highly intuitive, when a novice can achieve proficiency within 1 to 2 days. With premium configurations throughout, we offer a 3-year full machine warranty. For a professional, efficient, and cost-effective heavy plate welding solution, choose Kempson.